How much money do YouTubers make? Now, this is such a weird question, and I get asked it a lot, and there's literally no straightforward answer, but there's something really important that you should know, is that a big misconception is views equals money. Views does not equal money. The money you get from YouTube depends on 3 different things. The first is like the actual topic of the video, the second is the countries that watch the video, and the third is like the quality of the video. So does the video have a high enough standard and does it meet up to YouTube's guidelines? But the real reason you're here, the real reason why you clicked on this video, is to find out how much money I made from my viral video. Now, back in April I just uploaded this tutorial on how to get Minecraft for free, and it wasn't a great video, I'll be honest, and especially, the topic of the video, the thing I was showing isn't great. And so I got less money from it because it wasn't necessarily to YouTube's guidelines, and it wasn't a good video at all. And I got 2.7 million views, I think, before YouTube took it down. But anyway, so I'm going to show on screen how much I made. Yeah, that's how much I made. Now, that might be a bit of a shock to you if you watch any videos like these before, because normally if someone gets 2.7 million views, they'd be making a whole lot more money, like probably, depending on the subject, but probably like $5,000 or something like that. I've seen someone get $5,000 from a video that had 1 million views, So it really does just depend on those 3 factors that I talked about before. So if we were looking at my video, you look at like the audience that all my viewers are from, and like it was, for some reason, it was all these less economically developed countries, so places where advertisers didn't have to pay as much money, and I was getting paid as little as 50 cents per 1,000 views. But in my viewers like from America, my adverts from America, I was getting paid as much as like $3. And then if you look at the actual standard of the video, like I said before, it was a terrible video. I just put some crappy music that I made really quickly on some random app, I put that over the top of it. I didn't use my voice for anything, there wasn't anything professional about it, and that really came back to bite me, because advertisers are looking at my video and they're saying, why would I want to pay any money for any of the viewers that watch this video? Because the audience that watches this video, they're not going to have like any money to spend. This is an audience that's looking for how to play a paid game for free. So why would advertisers try and pay more money to be in my video just to get it to an audience that's not going to have any interest in buying what they're advertising? And I just think that it's really interesting to see that gaming as a whole is one of the biggest industries in the world right now, but advertisers aren't willing to pay so much for their adverts because each of the people who are interested in gaming just, like, they don't have the money with them, they just like to watch gaming videos, it's just like a hobby. But then if you look at other things like insurance companies and stuff, they're paying as much as $50 for every 1,000 views on a video. And that's just like a crazy amount of money compared to like what I said before, I was getting 50 cents per 1,000 views on my video. And that's the important thing to understand, like when you ask a YouTuber, hey, how much do you make? They can't give you a straight answer because it depends on every video. It depends if the video is good enough, it depends like which countries watch it more, and it depends on like the actual subject of the video. Now this was just kind of a one-off video because I've seen so many comments and people have asked me so many questions about this topic. So I don't really have anything else to say apart from wait for the new year, guys. I'm going to be uploading a lot more. I'm going to be putting lots of Minecraft content out there. I won't be doing anything like this again probably, unless I get enough people liking this type of content that I upload. But yeah, in the new year, guys, I'm going to be trying to upload a lot more and just trying to engage with my audience more. And if you did enjoy this video, can I just say please subscribe and like the video, it'd help out so much. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.